While most shop owners and CEOs love seeing their biggest sales numbers during the holiday season, they know it's not the last time they'll see every product that they sell. And while all of the stores go through their own version of a holiday gift return mania, there's a few things you can do to make the process easier.
So maybe you didn't like the gift, or maybe it just wasn't in your size. But if you're going to be returning it, there's a few things to keep in mind. First and foremost, know the store's policy. Stores like Vintage Stock and Big Lots have a 30-day return window, while Academy Sports issues a refund within 60 days. And stores like Lowe's, Target, and Macy's will accept most items within 90 days. Some places have special holiday return deadlines. For example, Best Buy extended their return period to January 16th for any items purchased between October 13th and the end of the year, not including holiday products like Christmas decorations, major appliances, and items requiring a contract like a cell phone. Amazon has a similar holiday policy, with most items shipped between October 1st and December 31st, returnable through January 31st. And Walmart is also offering an extended time frame for most items purchased between October 16th and December 25th, and offers a method of returning items purchased online without leaving your house. Now, I know that's a lot to take in, and while these all sound friendly and inviting, they do have their fine print, and that's where taking care of the little things can make the biggest difference when you step up to the counter. Along with the original receipt, hold on to the original packaging as well. The easier it is for them to resell, the better shape you'll be in. Just don't wait too long, or those footy pajamas might start to grow on you.
We'll have those policies listed on our morning show page at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.